SKKN by Kim lip liner live up to the hype of what KKW was. Hey babes, and welcome back to another video. If this is your very first time here, my name is Tiana. Hey girl, hey. Here on this channel we discuss everything from makeup, fashion, fragrance, and lifestyle. So if that's something that you are interested in, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you can be a part of the family. What's up babes? So y'all know Kim Kardashian came out with a new skincare line. It's called SKKN by Kim, and y'all, I absolutely loved her Kim K line. I think it was Kim K. I don't forget exactly what it was, but she had those lip pencils. I think it was like Nude 4, Nude 3, Nude 2. Those, baby, those ate down, okay? And I was sad to see those go, but I'm still hanging on to them. I still got a little bit left in the pencil, so I'm just so glad that she revamped or rebranded and coming out with some skincare products. Like, we love that, girl. We love you, Kim, okay? So let's just hop right into the review. I've already done my makeup. I didn't do any lips because I wanted to do like a first impression with y'all. I haven't even opened up the package, like just got her out the mail, and I did cut like the little tape that was here so I can just open it easily on camera. So 1, 2, 3. This is what she's looking like. So it's the box is very plain. It's like a cream nude color box, and then I just love this picture of Kim. I guess that's Kim. I can't really tell, but yeah, this picture here, and she's giving skin, nude lips. Like, we love that. So let's open her up. So in the box, it comes with this card that says skim. Oh, y'all, hold on. Okay, so in the box, it came with 2 instruction cards. It says SKKN by Kim, and then it's like how to use the products on the back. So the card says that if you get the cleanser, what to do, the exfoliator, what to do, the toner, hyaluronic acid serum, vitamin C8 serum, eye cream, face cream, oil drops, night oil. Dang, Kim, you coming out with all of this? Baby, put me on your PR list. I got you. Just put me on the list. Because y'all, so I guess she was just coming out with like the beauty products first, like the makeup with the lip liners, eyeshadows, and the matte matte lipsticks, not liquid. But yeah, this is nice. What I purchased was 3 of the nude lip liners. I got nude 13, 14, and 15. So let's open 13 first, since that is the lightest shade. And y'all know, like Kim, she's very minimalistic, nude colors. I love that, love her life. So this is how the pencil look. Very sleek, very minimalistic, very Kim K, okay? So taking the top off, this is a wood pencil, and I absolutely love that because I'm going to show y'all from KKW Beauty the pencil that I've been using. It's like this plastic material. I don't want to say it's plastic because I know Kim don't use plastic, but whatever type of material this is, that's what it is. And the tip of the pencil is not wood, and y'all can tell, like, I use this pencil down. I have to shake it out to get like the tip of the pencil to come out. And this is the Nude 3 KKW lip pencil. Baby, love it. When I tell you she is that girl, she's that girl. Love this pencil, love her life. So yeah, this is her old line, KKW Beauty, and I hope the SKKN by Kim lip liner live up to the hype of what KKW was. So let's swatch this. Okay, so I don't know if y'all can see. So that's the first swatch. This is Nude 13, and I actually love this color. I think I could have done a shade lighter. So next is the Nude 14. Let's swatch that one. They look kind of the same. Do they look the same to y'all? I mean, it's given the same shade range. Yeah, it's almost the same. All right, let's see Nude 15. So Nude 15 is actually the darkest shade out of the collection, and you can see the different shade range because Nude 13 and Nude 14, baby, they're giving the same color. So for $22, like either Nude 13 or Nude 14 will be going back because they are literally the same color. Literally, like there is absolutely no difference. And like I said, they were $22. Well, I guess I can see a little bit of a difference, but I mean, that's just, yeah, it's too close. Like, you wouldn't even be able to tell once I put the product on and layer it with a lipstick and blend it all in. Like, it's given, it's the same lip shade. So yeah, one of those will be going back. But let's go ahead and hop into the matte lipsticks, because I did purchase 2 of those as well. So the packaging for the lipsticks are the same as the lip liners, just this nude cardboard, very minimalistic packaging. Not mad at it. So I did get the shades Nude 5 and Nude 6. These lipsticks, they were $32. Very, very expensive if you ask. But let's just see. So the packaging is very simple, kind of underwhelming a little bit. But it has SKKN by Kim on it. It's sleek. It's like a satin matte packaging color. So let's open her. Love the applicator. Love the applicator. I've used the applicator like this before, and I actually love it. This is very, very warm. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's a very warm shade. So let's swatch it and see. Okay, so this is how she is looking. It is almost transparent on my skin, so I don't know how I'm going to feel about that. Let's look at Nude 6 and see how this one swatches. So this is a little bit darker shade nude. Hopefully y'all can see it. So let's see the swatch on this one. Y'all, look at this. Like, I'm so confused right now. I mean, honestly, it's giving like lip balm. Like a lip balm with a little bit of skin tint to it. Because, yeah, and for $32, baby, it's really not doing it for me. So let's just try this on. So I'm going to take Nude 5 and try this on with, I mean, it's so sheer. I'm going to try it on with the darkest lip liner. So Nude 15. So this is Nude 15 lip liner. And I'm just going to outline my lips. And it goes on very smooth. I like that. It's almost like a lip cream because it is going on very smooth. Okay, y'all. So this is the darkest shade out of the collection. Like I said, this is a Nude 15. It's the darkest shade. And I honestly don't think anybody that is even 3 shades darker than me would be able to wear Nude 15, because I don't know. It's giving like a medium deep nude, not like a dark chocolate cocoa bean nude, you know? But I actually love how it applied. I love how it looks. I mean, it looks really, really good. It blends out phenomenally. It blends out very, very well. So I love that. It looks really nice. I actually like the look of it, but I just think the shade range is just going to be off for anyone that's even remotely darker than I am. And I'm not that dark. I would consider my complexion as like medium deep. So yeah, do with that information as you will. But I'm going to pair this with the Nude 5 lipstick that I got. It's soft and creamy, and like I said, it's giving like a matte lip balm instead of a lipstick. I don't know if there's like a ton of pigment in this. Let's do another swipe across the lips. I mean, I don't even know if this can be considered as matte. It's I guess it is matte because it's not shiny. It's nice. It's nice for like an everyday nude. I can give it that. But I don't know how well this will work with other darker tone complexions. I know that she have darker lip products as far as like the lipstick goes. I know that. So this shade is like kind of in the middle, so maybe it's for me and not for like darker tone people. But for $32, I am a bit underwhelmed. It's definitely not giving what I thought it was going to give. My lips, I'm not really mad at it. I'm just kind of underwhelmed, especially with this being a $32 lip product. Like, I would expect pigment like no other, and it's not giving that. But it is giving like everyday wear. So I can see you popping this in your purse and just adding this to like your lips after you apply like your chapstick or something like that. I can see this just being like a little tint for your lips. So this is a Nude 5 lipstick paired with the Nude 15 lip liner. So let's try Nude 13 lip liner and Nude 5 lipstick. So this is the Nude 13. So I'm just going to line my lips. And it's the same as the Nude 15. It goes on very smooth and creamy. And I actually like this shade. I'm not mad at this shade. Okay. What do y'all think? I'm not mad at Nude 13. I actually like the color. Love the way it applied. I think it complements my skin very well. I love it. So let's try the lip liner with Nude 5 lipstick and see how that looks. So I'm just going to pop some of this on into the center. Okay, I'm actually not mad at that. I actually like the way that this looks. This is something that I can definitely wear. But the formula of the lipstick, I don't care for it. I don't. It's making my lips look like they're dry and crusty. They're like, you can see like all the wrinkles in the lips. Like every crease that I have in my lips, you can see them. So I'm not a big fan of that. I think she's going to have to reformulate this lip. I think she's going to have to reformulate the lip product because I don't, yeah, I don't like, I don't like the dryness that it appears to have because my lips aren't dry. And then like I can feel the product settling into like the creases of my lips. I feel that. And I'm not a big fan of that. So I'm going to keep the lip liner on and try this Nude 13 lip liner with Nude 6 lipstick. So let's see how that looks. So I've taken off the lipstick. I'm just going to add just a little bit of liner to my lips just to kind of fill it in a bit so we can get the full effect. All right, so now I'm just going to apply Nude 6 to the center. And it's not bad. It's just the formulation of the product. I don't like the way it look on my lips. Like it's settling into the creases of my lips and I don't know. And then like I keep saying, for $32, where's the pigment? Where is the pigment, baby? Because it is barely showing up on me. I don't know. I don't know. I honestly do not know. I don't know. It's very, very underwhelming. That's pretty much all I can take from this is that the packaging is underwhelming. The formula of the lipsticks, 2 out of 10, very underwhelming. Being that this is like her first drop of this new brand, she's gonna have to go back into the lab and just tweak some things. But I love Kim K, love her life. And I hope she sees this video and take the feedback with love. I mean, it's all out of love. I want her to succeed. I want her new skincare brand to just blow her mind. That's what I want for Kim. So, but the product, way too expensive. Way very, very, very underwhelming. And maybe that's why I did not purchase the eyeshadow palette. I mean, because I think that was like $50 or $52. And just looking at it on the website, it was underwhelming just looking at it on the website. So that's that. So this brings us to the end of today's video, babes. I really hope that you enjoyed. Please let me know down below which lip combo you like for me. So I just looked on her website and she actually have the skincare line like available for purchase right now. I did not know that when she launched on the 26th. I thought it was just lip products that she was launching. Apparently her skincare line has gone live. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one, babes. Mwah. Bye.